Hi guys, how do you do? Welcome to today's tutorial, example tutorial. Today we're going to look at something quite interesting. We're going to see how to work with the RecyclerView or simple RecyclerView. This is what we're going to make over right here. Okay, so this particular RecyclerView right here, it consists of cards. What you can see over right here, these are my cards. If I click, for instance, the first card, I get Java. The second one, C#. I have right here VB.NET. So in short, what we're doing is very simple. We're working with the RecyclerView, we are working with card views, and also seeing how to handle the ItemClick events for our RecyclerView. Guys, this is what we're going to make over right here. So join me, we get started now. Of course, the first thing, actually, this is simply a demo tutorial. Everything, all the source code and all our explanations, we're going to get them in our website camposha.com. okay, so for right here, we're just going to have an overview. And of course, the first thing, guys, I'm hoping you guys have created your project. Create your project. Then step one, come over to build.gradle. Then make sure you add this one. The first one right here is our support libraries. Okay, it's going to, of course, give us access to things like the RecyclerView and the floating action button. Then right here, we're also going to have our card view. This, of course, is going to give us access to our card view. So that's it. Make sure that you add these two. Now, once you've done that one, come click this one to sync your project. Okay, once we've done that one, then we're going to come to our layouts. Of course, to our layouts, first we're going to have our activity main layout. Come over right here, make sure that you add RecyclerView. Then come over to our module layout. Then make sure that you design your module layout. Give it, you can have it as a card view as the root. So you can see right here inside my card view, I'm having this particular text view. Once we've done that one, we're going to have to maybe create two classes and wrap them in a package. To create a package, you simply right click, then choose new package. Okay, so you choose new package. Then of course, for me, I'm going to have these three. ItemClickListener, this is simply an interface. It's going to define the signature for the event that you're going to be handling on ItemClick. Is going to take a position. Okay, then we're going to have our my adapter and then our my ViewHolder. Let's start. So inside our on ItemClickListener, just have this one. Then of course, inside your own item my ViewHolder, first come right here, and the first thing, make it derive from RecyclerView.ViewHolder. This is a ViewHolder class going to hold for us the views. Then which is this view that we're going to hold? Well, it's our name txt. Then right here, declare our interface. Okay, then we're going to say over right here, okay, before we come to that one, set ItemClickListener. We simply create this particular method. Is going to take an ItemClickListener. Then whatever it takes right here, we take it and then assign it to this our local ItemClickListener. Then we make this one implement view.onClickListener. Okay, remember this is our ViewHolder. Is going to represent a single view item in our RecyclerView, so it's going to be clickable. In short, that's what we're saying. Now if it is clicked, then what are you going to do? Well, we're simply going to call the onItemClick method. Then we pass in the getLayout position. The getLayout position is going to, of course, return the position of the item that has been clicked, its layout position. We come now to our my adapter first, make it derive from RecyclerView.adapter. Okay, then of course, once we have that one, it's going to take two parameters, a context, and then an array list that we're calling languages. So in fact, what we're going to really need, this one we don't really need to declare it here. We're going to have it over here. So we come, then we come inside our my ViewHolder. The first thing, we're going to inflate our module layout, passing in our context, then calling the inflate method, which is the layout that we're gonna inflate. Of course, our module layout. Okay, parent, then false right here. Parent, of course, is our view group. False, we are saying we want to be attaching this particular layout that we've inflated to this our view group. Then we return an instance of our my ViewHolder. Now to bind our data on bind ViewHolder, this is where we're going to bind our ViewHolder. So come just right here, we pass in our holder, and then of course the position. Take note, this one we're overriding them. Okay, we're overriding them. The moment you implement this one, RecyclerView.ViewHolder, the moment you derive from it, you're going to be, it's going to generate for you these three methods: on create ViewHolder, on bind ViewHolder, and then get item count. So how do we handle our ItemClick? Well, remember the set ItemClickListener method that we created here. We come right here, call it set ItemClickListener. We pass in new ItemClickListener right here. Then inside our own ItemClick, we're going to show a simple toast over right here. Get item count. Make sure that you set this one to the size of your array list. Guys, everything. This is just a demo tutorial. Everything you guys are going to have to access in our website right here. Then we come inside our main activity. The first thing, we're going to set up our RecyclerView, set its layout manager, then insert our adapter, set our adapter of course to our RecyclerView. Then right here we're calling this particular method right here that we're calling the fill get data. It's returning an array list, so we simply fill this particular array list, then return it at the end of the day. Then of course we're going to call it over right here, get data. We pass it inside the constructor of our my adapter. Guys, that's it, everything. The website, the link below in our website camposha.com. Otherwise, stay tuned for the next tutorial, our next RecyclerView tutorial. And also take care, make sure that you subscribe so that you never miss them out. Guys, take care. I'll catch you in the next tutorial.